Beaches, in the desert? Sounds impossible, right? But nature has its own surprises. Namibia's Skeleton Coast, a breathtaking shoreline, where golden dunes crash into the Atlantic Ocean, creating one of the world's most surreal landscapes. Oman's Khaluf Beach, also known as the Sugar Dunes, this hidden paradise boasts white sand dunes, rolling straight into the Arabian Sea. Qatar's Inland Sea, a rare place where towering desert dunes meet crystal-clear waters, offering an unmatched natural wonder. Egypt, Red Sea Coast. The Sinai Desert meets the stunning Red Sea. Known for its coral reefs and golden beaches, nature always finds a way to amaze us. Want to see more hidden wonders? Like, share and subscribe.